Morning, buddy.
Hi guys, it's Lizzie and Mike from the Academy team, and we have finally made it to Cologne for Photokina 2018.
And we are super excited to be here. It's literally just over there on the other side of the river, and we're doing something a little different. This is the first time we have ever done a vlog on this channel, so we're going to film everything we do over the next few days and everything we did to get here to Cologne. But we're not just on YouTube.
We're not. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and also on Instagram, where we have just created a highlight story, so you'll be able to keep up to date on all of the information while we're here.
The links and the tags are in the description below, so give us a follow, and we look forward to taking you on our little Photokina adventure.
So Panasonic have just announced their S series, so L mount system.
Photokina hasn't even started yet. They're getting on. They're jumping on the releases.
Not yet. S1R, which is 47 megapixels, if I can speak correctly, and the S1, which is 26 megapixels, with 10 new lenses due. And Leica have announced the S3, so medium format, 4K video, no cropping. Interesting.
Yeah, the no cropping in video is pretty impressive, particularly on a sensor that size. It's just going to give you a tremendous view and depth of field, and that's a good looking camera. So I'm really looking forward to just seeing how they've built up from the last time we were here, like looking at how much bigger the stands are and who's brought what to show off.
I'm excited for the announcements, but I am excited for the fact that it's going to be the last, can I call it the last real Photokina?
Yeah, I think that's fair. I mean, it's never going to be quite that anticipation of we only get to come here every other year. Although, with it being a little bit chillier today, I think it'll be nicer in May as of next year.
Potentially. Yeah, I'm excited for cameras.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
I'm excited for the exhibition.
Yeah, it should be good. Any brands you're particularly looking forward to?
I mean, I'm going to bang on about it all week probably, but I want to see the EOS R, the lenses that they've got for that system.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely looking forward to that.
Potentially the adapter. So I've only actually looked at the camera and the 24 to 105mm, so it'd be interesting to see if they've got the selection there.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing the new lenses and that mount from EOS R, because I haven't actually seen any of it. I went to Nikon and you got to go to Canon.
Yeah, true. And I'd be quite interested to actually feel the Nikon and compare it to the Canon.
Yeah, it'd be nice to actually get a hand on the Z6 as well, because of that that video capability rather than the fully photo of the Z7. It should be fun. But yeah, oh, we can't forget Fujifilm, of course.
Yep, Fuji. Who knows what it is, but I want to see it.
Well, I'm looking forward to getting my next hands-on with the X-T3. I really like that camera, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of it.
Hi.